Alrighty, so let's get cracking with the sorting. I've actually did this recently with a little side project of mine named Fanny's Cookbook after an inside joke with my wife, but was promptly renamed to Remember Me Cook. Basically, I wanted to digitize my Grand's cookbooks and basically obviously use AI to do that. I'm not going to type them all out. And I've built this platform to do that, and it's pretty awesome. You can even generate cookbooks, new cookbooks with all your recipes that you've uploaded, scanned in, not really scanned in, and takes a photo of the image and then pops out the recipes. But I had to allow users to sort of sort ingredients, and for that reason, I created a little component called SortableList. And it uses something called dndkit, which you can find in NPM somewhere. There we go. And it's a really awesome sorting library. Basically, this component is just abstracting all the sorting. It is allowing you to pass in a list of items, how to render each item, and then an onChange. So based on the user sorting, this will return the sorted items. And it also displays a little sort icon next to each item, and I think we could use this. So I'm just gonna go and copy that directly into my project. And I really need to add this to my boilerplate because so let's add all these dependencies quickly. Exact, and we want that one. We want that one. Protobuf. Yeah, I need to fix that. Cool, so that's updated. Let's check. Cool, types are working. Package is installed. Button, I think this is still using the old. I recently migrated my boilerplate from custom components to Daisy UI components. So we just need to update this and probably add a Daisy UI class name, and that should work. Cool, let's see what happens if we use it. And we'll probably use it on this level. The SortableList, the container itself, doesn't seem to provide any layout styles, so that's cool. So I wonder if I can actually just wrap it. Could I wrap it like this? Let's see. How does it? Can't remember how I did this, but let's find out. So we've got SortableList. We need an array of items, which is going to be... Okay. You good? Cool, let's leave that for now. Items is not going to be puzzledata.images, is it? Maybe it will. Okay, what's the problem? Oh, it's wanting an ID. Because in our SortableList we have T, which is just a generic type. We're saying we want, it's either this array must be a string array or it must have an ID. And we use the ID to sort of identify each item. So we'll need to first create a map of this, including IDs. And because none of them have IDs, we can just use the storage path because that'll be unique to each image. And I might just move that to a memo because we don't want to, if every time this thing renders, so, imagine the user updates the change handler for this puzzle image. This whole component is going to re-render because our state is now living here. And we don't want to have to remap over these items just to add IDs. So we can do that up front. Puzzle, what should we call them? Puzzle image items, maybe? Map that, attach IDs. Yes, that's cool. ID image.storage path, and then just give me the rest of the image, please. And we don't need that. Memoize that. And just update dependencies. Boom, boom. Wonder if we can just have puzzle images. Puzzle images. If you have better names, please let me know. As we know, naming is a very contentious issue in development. Okay, so that's cool. Items is fine. Render item. I will also move to a callback. Just to stick with our approach of, keeping the callbacks up here, but also we don't. Yeah, let's just stick there. Move this out. Render puzzle image. Yep. Render puzzle image. Use callback and make that empty. Pop that in there. Dependencies should be good. And why? Oh, why? Okay, so how did I do this? Item is just going to return item, index, and the array. So yeah, do we need index? Yes, we do. We need type. But over here, just want to make sure the types are correct. Yep, that's all good. So we can just go and number. We can go and just infer this type based on puzzle images. So we just go type of puzzle images 0. So, you know, in case we change that, this will automatically update. We're not like creating a new static type there. That should work. And then it will need an on change. I'm just going to make this blank for now just to satisfy the types. And we only want to render this when puzzle data isn't loading. Yes. That should be good. Oh, let's see if it works. Okay. Boom. Nice. I think it's working. Is it working? That'll be insane if it is. I'm surprised that it's working. But we should be able to sort at this stage. Why can't we? Oh, okay. We need to wrap the component with sortable item, and we're not doing that. Yes, we're not doing that. So that's a bit of a, I don't know if that's a good API. What does it want? It wants ID and children. ID equals image.id. It wants children, and what's the problem, guys? Oh, SortableList.item. Yes. Okay, sweet. Great. Do I need the ID still? Yep. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now it's basically given rendering each item. Ooh, and some weird stuff is happening. Wow. Amazing. Holy crap. What is going on? Let's see. Each child in a list should have a unique key prop. Is it because my IDs are not unique? We're using storage paths. They seem okay. Where? Sortable item. Where's the key? Who is providing your key? Oh, okay. No one's providing a key for you. I don't know about this. Oh, there. Okay, we're attaching the key there, which is pretty weird, actually. Like, I would imagine a list should provide that prop. But let's just roll with it for now. Hopefully that fixes our weird... Oh, so strange. I think it's because this thing is scrolling. We've got some scrolling here. That's not working anymore. This is now doing some weird stuff. Okay. I'm gonna have to put in some work here. I was hoping it would just work, but wishful thinking. Okay, let's see. What's the problem? What if we remove... Let's just see if we remove all overflow. Sort of doing it, but it's going to the right. Strange. Can we just remove overflow here? Don't scroll at all whatsoever. Interesting. Why? Okay, let's see what React DND has to say. Not having an effect. Got a key, got an ID. Sortable list. Handle change. Maybe because that's not doing anything yet. But why is it letting me go left and right? Okay, let's see. Pointer sensor, keyboard sensor. What is that? What is a keyboard sensor again? What happens if I remove that? What is a pointer sensor? Okay, that won't work. That won't work either. On drag end, we're using RDs, that's cool. No problem there. Collision detector, closest center. Vertical list sorting strategy. Yes. Happy with that. Let's have a look at the docs. When in doubt, visit the docs. Draggable elements, droppable elements. Keyboard support out of the box. Okay, that's cool. I think when I had used it, I just used one of the examples and just sort of worked. Draggable. I think okay, so we got use sortable. What is the difference between use sortable and use draggable? Draggable, droppable. Move my head again. And these controls. Okay, so let's see. Sortable. There we go. Let's see what that does. Yes, okay. So this looks familiar now. Pretty much what I used previously. Oh, drag overlay. What is that? Sortable drag overlay guard. That's something. Is that our issue? We're not using that, but they recommended using it. Item. Not item. Reminds me of the other day we were asked a guy for where we can find ice cream. And I think he was so shocked because South Africans tend to pronounce ice like something else, like arse. Anyway, what is item? Item. Where did you find that, guys? I think the docs are a bit weird. Was it just me? I know I'm weird, but... Oh, sort? Wait. Lost track of where I am. Where are you, draggable overlay? Oh. Drag overlay. Sortable item. And... maybe we're just supposed to call render item, yeah? Maybe. Let's try that. Active ID. Where is that coming from? Active ID? Who is setting you? I don't understand. Oh, okay. On drag start. Then we need a drag start. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it works. Sensors. Let's get some state. On drag start. I like to just keep it named after the event itself. Drag start event and set active ID, and we'll just stick to our callbacks. Missing some arrow syntax. What's the problem? String is not assignable to null. That's right, it's not. Okay, number. Why? Active ID is a string. So let's just convert it to a string. Okay, so where do you want that? On the DND context? Yep. Okay, and that we also need to update the drag end event. Set active ID null. Okay, cool. And then now render the overlay, render the item. What is the active item? We will go and get it. Active item equals use memo. Just specify. Boom. Please work. 3 arguments. Item, index, array. Index? Jeez, this is a bit complex. Why is this render item expecting all of this stuff? Okay, I suppose we can just find the index too. It's probably a better way to do this, but thank you. Copilot, active item index, and give me the array. Nope, items. Does that work? I don't know. Let's see. Now we've done that. Let's. Oh, please work. And don't go crazy on me. It's still going a little bit crazy on me, to be honest. And I can't even scroll anymore, which... Oh, wait. Oh, so it's doing an overlay to kind of control the scrolling. Did I? Sort of does work, I think. I didn't disable the overflow. No. So it should still overflow. I mean, it should still allow scrolling, at least. But it's not. And I need to go fetch my kids. So I'll be back. Cheers.